Okay, so we're here on Brick Lane and we're going to do a 50mm 1.8 manual focus low light challenge. We have 3 minutes to get as many shots as possible, so yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go. 3 minutes on the clock. Go.
Get a off license shot. Okay, cool. Oh, I need to record with this as well. Fuck, hold on. Just pause that position.
No.
Okay, we're rolling. Okay, cool. So. Tight. Cool. Then.
2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Cool.
Very good.
Steady shot. I really want to get a reflection through a car mirror. But all the mirrors are folded in, which is really annoying. So what we'll do is okay, and nice shot on the back. Cool.
1 minute and a half.
1 minute and a half left, okay. 5. Okay, and nice shot there, candid little one. And I really want to get this mirror shot, but it's pretty tricky. How long left? Okay. Cool. And okay, 30 seconds left.
So many rules.
Okay. Whew. Okay, cool. So that was it. 50mm 1.8 low light manual focus challenge here in Brick Lane. I'll put the pictures on the screen, all edited in Lightroom, and yeah, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Whoa, yeah, cash rules all around me. Whoa, yeah, all this money around me. Whoa, yeah, cash rules all around me. Whoa, yeah.